Hi everybody, it's me, Carrie, your Stampin' Up! Demonstrator from Farmington Hills, Michigan, here with a quick Tiny Tip Tuesday for you. With all the new colors coming in, I know that many of you are going to be buying new ink pads, and I know because I've said it a million times, you're also going to get your re-inker. Please don't forget to order your re-inker. Okay, so what I'm going to show you is what I do and what Stampin' Up! Has provided for us to do so that we can find our pads easily when they're stacked together. What they have done is on the back of this sheet, they have placed all of the names and different languages that might be necessary. Obviously, for our portion, I am going to use the English. And hang on, let me get to my spot here. Okay, so I am going to just get to this one right here that says Azure Afternoon. I'm going to use my take my pick tool, but it's take your pick tool, obviously. And I'm going to peel that off, and I'm going to put the take your pick tool kind of right in the middle of it to help me when I'm putting it on. Okay, so now you take this that has the name and you can center it. If you've got it on your take your pick tool, you're going to be able to do this a little bit easier than with just your fingers. Because now I can get it where I want it, get it started, and there we go. So now when it's stacked, I can see it. But wait, Stampin' Up! Did something else. When our ink pads are open, and they're like this, what color is that? I don't know. It's a dark color. Is it? Maybe it isn't. I don't know. So let's see if I can do this without getting ink. You can see I've already been doing stuff. I'm going to go back here. And on the bottom is a blank piece. Look what I did to my hands. Oh my gosh, I'm a true stamper. I'm again going to put it on the tip of my take your pick tool so that I can get it centered. And I'm going to just hold it in place. Try to move it so it stays centered. And then to press it down, I'm going to use this end of the cap from my take your pick tool and press it in there. See, I got a little ink on it from my fingers, but that's okay. That's all right. But there you go. Now, when it is on your table and you're stamping, you can see the color. Perfect, right? Don't do it. Don't pull the backs off while it's open. Another little tiny tip for you. Okay, don't forget when you order your ink pads, what are you going to get with them? A refill. That's right. And if you don't have the take your pick tool, you can use the tip of your scissors or a long straight pin or something along those lines. But honestly, the take your pick tool is so handy, not just for putting labels on your new ink pads. Okay, have a great and wonderful day. Bye.